Hi guys, I'm Army. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna code this awesome UI design. So please like this video and subscribe my channel to motivate me create more and more videos. Let's do this.
Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and
at first we need a navigation top of our HTML file. So let's to make this division with nav ID. In our styles file, at first we have to reset our CSS. So with star selector, write padding 0 and margin 0. And for nav ID, we need 19% width and margin 0 auto to make this division center, and the border to see this division in our file. I think 1 pixel solid and sharp CCC is good, and we need a height, for example 50 pixel. Maybe from top we need margin for our navigation div 13 pixel and 0 from bottom and auto from left. Yes, it is good. Now we need a section here for our menu icon and another section for our menu items, and for the last one we need another div for our logo. So we need 3 divs inside the navigation. Div star 3. This makes 3 divs. For the first one, menu underline icon ID. For the second one, menu underline items, and for the last one, logo. Sharp nav and all divs of nav. We need height 100%, a border 1 pixel solid sharp CCC, and for navigation we need display flex and justify content space between and align items center. Menu icon, sharp menu icon, width maybe 15 pixel to make it a square, because the height of menu icon with this style is 100% and 100% of parents, and navigation is the parent of this menu icon, and navigation height is 15 pixel. So the menu icon height is 15 pixel too, and to make this like a square with 1 scale, we need a width like height. And let's see this. Cool. But I need the navigation direction change to RTL. Now it's better. Let's go for menu items, styles. We need a width, maybe 30-100 pixel, and for logo, a width maybe 17 pixel. 115 pixel, good, and 600 pixel. Now it's better. Here we need menu icon logo, but I think for navigation height 14 is enough, so we need 14 widths for 40 widths for menu icon. Now it's better. For logo, for menu icon, we need a background image with URL. In our media files, we have some images, and I want to select menu icon PNG. If we go to this directory, you can see the menu icon.png. /media/menu icon.png. Let's resize the background size with background size. Contain. And maybe 14 is not good. 35 and 35. Okay, good. Background repeat. No repeats. Now we have to increase the Y of this background image with background position 0 in horizontal and maybe 20% or 30% in vertical. Yes, good, but 40 is better. Yes, let's go for menu items. In menu items, we need a UL with 1, 2, 3, 4 LI. Home, product, store, and about us. Home, product, store, and about us. Good. And for the last one, we need logo image. So we need a background image with a URL / go to media and select logo.png. Background size, contain, and background repeats, no repeats. And background position, cool. For menu items and UL of menu items. We need some styles, like list style, none, to delete these dots, and display flex. The direction of menu items should change to LTR, and display of menu items should change to flex, justify content, center, align items, center. We need a gap here, maybe 10 pixel or a little bit more, 15 pixel. And we need a font for our body. Font family, copy this and paste here. Good. Let's delete these borders. We don't need the border of navigation or navigation divs. And now it's good, but maybe the font size, it's a little smaller than this UI. So let's go for menu items and font dash size, maybe 20 pixel. Yes, good. And the color should be changed to 27, 27, 27 sharp, and paste this. Okay, good. And for menu items UL, LI, we need cursor, pointer, and maybe a hover. With letter spacing attribute, maybe 20 pixel, and we need a transition here to make this animation smoother, and maybe 1 second. Cool. I like this. Let's go for second section of this UI. Now we need another part to make this photo and this circle behind this photo and some text, the social media icons, and this text right here. So next to the nav div, we need a div with second underline section ID. For second section div, we need width 19%, margin 0 and auto, a border to see this division with 1 pixel, solid sharp CCC, and a height, maybe 14 pixel or 600 pixel. good. We need margin top, so 100 pixel from top, auto, 0 from down, and auto from left. Maybe 50 pixel, and height 700 pixel, and maybe 30 pixel is enough from top. Now we have this section. Let's make this circle. We need another div with ID circle. For second section, and div with circle ID, we need width maybe 20 to 100 pixel, and height 200 pixel, and border radius 50% to make this division like a circle, and the background color with this color. Yes, cool. Maybe 500, and 500 is better. Okay, but 400 is better. Section. The second section display have to change to flex and justify content center, but no, we don't need this. Just make a margin and 300 pixel from top, and auto from left and right. 300, it's so big. 100. Yes, good. Now we need this image. Let's make this. For the second section, we need a position relative, and now we need a division for our person underline image. Person image needs the width maybe 14 pixel, height 200 pixel, or maybe 400 pixel, and 115 pixel, and a border 1 pixel, solid sharp CCC, position relative, and from bottom 0, and from left maybe 40%. Good. From bottom 100 peasant, 230 100%, 40, or maybe 45. Now it's good. 500 height and 215. Now we need a background image for person image div. A background image with URL the slash, media slash, and person.png. Background size contain background repeat, no repeats. And maybe a transform scale 1 to 1.3. Yes, it is good. And we need a transition, maybe 2 seconds is good. And let's make an animation for this circle and for this person. We need to add sign keyframes to make an animation. Person underline anim from, or we can write 0%. Maybe bottom have to change to 47%, and in 100% when the animation is full, go to this animation person underline anim 2 seconds. We don't need transition. Okay, cool. And maybe opacity 0, opacity 1, and transform scale 1 to transform scale 1.3. Yes, good. Maybe without opacity is better. Yes. And let's make a keyframes for circle. Circle underline anim in 0%, border radius 0 in 100%, border radius 100%, and for height it's 50%. For height, at first it has changed to 800. Okay, circle anim, it's for circle, so make animation circle anim in 2.5 seconds. Yes, it is so good. And let's to make this section for a paragraph. We don't need a border of person image. Good. Now we need this text. In second section, we need a div with ID, maybe paragraph, and the P. A BR here and a BR here, and this pen, a BR here, and this text, read more. Okay, cool. For paragraph, P and span, we need font weight bold and a color with tag 22, 22, 22. Yes. Cool. And we need a cursor pointer and transition 1 second, and for hover of this span we need letter spacing 1.5 pixel. P span hover. Okay, cool. 0.5 second. Now it's better. For paragraph, we need position relative from left, 0 from top, 0. Position relative, position absolute, and let's change this to absolute, and from bottom 0 and left 40%. Okay, from bottom maybe minus 10% to 0. Now it's so better. From top, for paragraph, we need 20%, yes, and from left 15%, maybe 15%, 5%. Yes, it is so good. And make the circle width and height bigger. Circle. Six hundred. Yes, it's good. 600 pixel. And for the animation, 600. Yes, now it's so good. Let's make this big text here. we need another div with ID title, and in title we need h2 tag with less is more. Less is a brick and more text with a dot. Okay, cool. For title styles, we need font dash size, maybe 15 pixel. Or a little bit bigger, and for line height, maybe 10 pixel. Not 500 pixel, or maybe 60 pixel. Yes, this is so good. And make the position absolute, and from right maybe 10 present, and from top 40 present. Let's see this. From top 500 present, and from left 50 present, 15 present. Yes, it is so good. And let's make the last section. For the last section, we need a div at first. Let's make this div last underline section, or bottom section. Bottom underline section. Copy this and styles, paste it. Width 19%, height maybe 15 pixel, and a border to set 1 pixel, solid sharp CCC, and margin. We don't need margin. Position, relative, absolute, and width 100%, from bottom 0, and let's say this. Yes, cool. We have another divs here with left ID and right ID. For the divs of bottom section, we need 50% width, 100% height, and the border and display flex for bottom section. Cool. In right, we need a text in P paragraph. Okay. And for sharp right, we need direction RTL, display flex, align items center, and font dash weight bold, and font dash size 20 pixel. Font weight maybe 000 or 600, 500. Yes, good. And 18 pixel or maybe 16 pixel is enough. Yes. And for the left division, we need for another divs with IDs Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and WhatsApp. For bottom section, left div and divs of left div. We need width 50 pixel, height 100%, a border 1 pixel solid sharp CCC, and display flex for left, justify content, flex start, we don't need this, but align items center. Okay, good. And maybe 400 or 35 pixel and 35 pixel is better. And we need a gap here, maybe 10 pixel is good, but 15 pixel is better. Sharp Instagram, sharp Facebook, sharp Twitter, and sharp WhatsApp. We need a background image with URL /media/ and for background size, content, and okay, cool. Copy, paste, and paste. For Facebook.png, Instagram.png, Twitter.png, and WhatsApp.png. Okay, good. Let's delete the border of these divisions and this division and these two, and the border of
All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up.